This is small one. So I will prep sashimi, 12 nigiri sushi, and then maki roll.
Oh, maki roll.
This is our sushi rice. We call koshi curry rice. This is one of the best.
From Japan.
To make a sushi rice. So soft grain.
Rice.
Yeah, this you
This
can
produced in Japan or some other country?
Yes, this from Japan, originally from Japan, harvest in United States, special in.
Different rice, Egyptian rice, basmati rice, Thai rice. What are the difference between this?
Okay, so why I choose this type of rice? Because this is a lot of starch.
Starch. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, if you use basmati rice, 100% you cannot make sushi rice, because for the sushi you need
Sticky.
type of rice, a lot of starch. Then when we cook, will become sticky.
Before we cook it,
Okay, this if we talk about the sushi, so we will start to talk about sushi rice, because sushi rice is number one component for the proper sushi. If we talk about sushi, we talk about rice. This rice like 85% is, if we talk about sushi, sushi rice is 85% component. So when we choose the rice to decide which rice we will use for sushi, so I prefer koshi curry rice. So if we don't find a koshi curry like this, so we can use tamanisi. And then the last choice, if you don't have, we can use nishiki rice.
okay.
But my suggestion, this rice, this type of rice. This is koshi curry rice. Then we wash normally, at least you change the water like 6 times. Yeah, until the water is not cloudy.
Okay.
And then after that, you put in the strainer, let the water come down. And then after that, again, we need to soaking with the water before we cooking. About
How many hours?
30 minutes or
30
40
minutes.
minutes. Then after that, we strain again, and then we cook. We add another new water.
Okay, nice.
So we need to soak about 35 or 40 minutes. I will. The water,
Yes.
but not all. Keep a little bit to protect when we washing, to avoid the rice is not broken.
Okay, okay.
So even though when we start to wash the rice, so this is my style. I learned from my sushi master.
Okay.
So our fingers like this, not like this.
Okay.
So to avoid the broken of the rice.
Broken.
So it's like this. My finger is like this.
It's like
So-
a waste.
Yeah. So the rice will not broken. I still put a little bit of water, because if dry, maybe the reason to avoid the broken of the rice.
Okay. How long, sir?
About maximum 5 minutes is enough.
Mix like this.
Yeah, because if we longer, rice will be broken. See, will become like this.
Okay.
See. Also, when you put water, my suggestion like this.
On the side?
Yes, because sometimes in the kitchen, in the hotel, the water is very strong. Yeah, so will make rice will be breakable. Yes, I think 6 times is enough.
So usually what is the main and that custard. So what will have your rice custard will not more or what?
See, water is still cloudy.
Okay.
Then when you cooking and then you mix with the vinegar, the rice is not shiny.
Sign. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, you are right.
So and then different. You cook sushi rice, you need to make proper comparison between rice and water. Cook the rice, 1 kg of rice, add water 1 liter. This is not same. Okay, for example, because when we receive the rice, sometimes it's old stock and sometimes it's new product.
New product, yeah, exactly.
So Normally, yeah. So sometime like one kg of rice, we need to add. Now water is clear.
How many times of this?
I do 6.
6 times. Okay.
Yeah, 6 times is perfect. Then now
How long you need to give rest for this rice?
I will take a 15 minutes. See, perfect. Not much broken. So you can see.
It looks shiny, it's white,
Yes.
and the water dissolve. Looks very. I like
Yeah.
your
1.5.
1.5 or 15 minutes. Good.
See, the water will
Well,
will
nice.
come down
Strainer.
together, and make sure the salt and sugar is dissolved.
Salt, sugar and rice vinegar, right?
Yes.
So special 3, so just you mix it
Mix
until
it.
the dissolve.
Yeah. Then taste is will be sweet and sour. The taste of the sushi rice vinegar is sweet and sour. Okay, this sushi rice, after we washing, straining, then soak with water, of course drinking water, for 40 minutes. Then after that we strain again, and then after that if we want to cook, like we need to cook about 35 minutes. I need 1 liter and 100.
Okay. So why only put the nets inside?
You will know later on.
Oh, really good.
It's 1 kg rice, 1 liter, 100 ml water.
Yes.
And we put inside the rice cooker net.
Yes. Cooking process is 35 minutes. Then after that we remove. Then we mix up with the rice vinegar.
Yes. Wow.
So we will make half. Maybe this much.
When you cook rice, always like this, answer.
Yes.
Is there any special technique to mix the rice?
Yeah, so with sushi rice vinegar.
Yes, sir.
We mix together.
Slowly.
Yeah.
When warm is good, answer.
Yes. And normally we use Japanese sushi rice tub
But
called hangiri. For maki. This part is belly part. Now I slice salmon for nigiri. Maybe I will make about 16 or 20 pieces.
okay, sir.
If the soy sauce absorb or something. Okay, the salmon we can utilize for so many dish. Salmon nigiri, salmon roll, and then you can use for appetizer like salmon tartar. Also, you can use for main dish like salmon steak,
Yes.
salmon teriyaki, and then for appetizer as well.
Salmon new style, so very thin slice salmon.
Yes, this is like new cuisine.
Okay. Now.
Okay, this is salmon new style sashimi. We need to slice very thin. We'll decor with ginger, garlic, green onion,
Onion.
spring onion, and then sesame, finishing with with dressing with soy sauce, yuzu soy,
Yes.
and then finishing with hot oil.
That sounds interesting.
Very beautiful.
Very delicious. Yes.
The soft one.
Right.
Right, shrimp is like this.
Okay, so we have to make it straight.
Yeah. Maybe all we do with the
Non-stick, yes, sir.
yeah.
This much you are doing in the house. It's very good thing.
Not in the kitchen, eh?
Yeah, not in the kitchen.
Not in the hotel, I mean.
Not in the hotel.
We have to, will we suicide?
Sushi, yeah.
Ah, this one nice. When I'm pressing, look like with power, but no. This is only for, you know, to make shape is like this. Because if you press, avocado will broken.
This is maki roll, sir. Avocado maki roll, salmon and avocado.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful, sir. Bravo.
It's not qualities. So if knife, no avocado will.
Yes.
Yeah.
Avocado will fly.
Yes. One more time. Just try to make. Yes. See, it's different. You take my. Yeah. Price also different.
That's why if I know also it's basic.
Yes.
This is good.
Make salmon nigiri.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which part do you prefer especially, sir?
This part is belly part.
Yes. Okay.
This is 730.
Okay.
Are you wondering the time also?
Yes, done. Yes, sir.
This weight about 12 gram.
Yes.
We touch with little bit of wasabi.
Yes.
And then we add the sushi rice about 13 gram.
Yes.
Okay.
4 time touch.
Like this. Look, ulta.
Dressing ready.
Yeah. The level? I think more. Normally we use asparagus for shrimp, but
25. Regarding the cherry salad.
Yes, yes. It's look okay.
Yes. Very nice. Asha,
Hmm?
we have to do quick, right?
We can use for. Yeah. I see. Put the chili.